Ordered another part for the Discovery, just came in. It is the rear blackout panel, which goes right here where the license plate goes. So I'm going to remove the license plate, clean it a little bit. It's actually a nice piece. I was very impressed for being a little cheap eBay job. So I got this on eBay. It was 65 bucks plus tax to the door. It's gloss black, has actual 3M tape, but I'm questionable in some spots because it's really a W in some spots, so it could be knockoff, but it's fine. But anyways, it does say Land Rover right there, and they just glued it out or heated it and put some shit over it, excuse my language. So this could be a legit piece, or it's just that good of a direct copy and they don't want to get, you know, bothered with some copyright stuff. So same deal applies. Just going to prep the surface. I'm going to remove these emblems. I'm just going to heat them with the heat gun, and I'll just wiggle them like that, and they'll just pop right off. And I'll most likely sticky tape them to the blackout panel after. So yeah, I'm going to remove the license plate, right meow, which does not take a Phillips head, because that is a bolt and a bolt, but they're not that tight. So I'm going to loosen those, and there's a Phillips head screw holding the plate back in here and here. Remove that. This comes right off, and I will show you that. Here's the license plate removed. One Phillips head screw there, one Phillips head screw there. So with light heat from the heat gun, just going to sweep back and forth, loosen these up, and I'll wiggle them off. There'll be some backing on the back of that I'll need to peel off, a little goo gone, and we'll go from there. Alright, that's what it looks like all cleaned up. It's as good as it's going to get. Obviously the emblem took some of the paint off, which is normal on these trucks. I swear they paint them with nothing. It's my biggest complaint with the Land Rover, the paint thickness. But whatever. So it's as clean as it's going to get. Yes, thank you, honey. Little baby's here for sound effects. This is going to... what do I have to do? This is going to be fun to install. Alright, I think I'm going to pop the hatch just a little bit. You got to go under the camera. I'm not taking that out or apart. And then you have to peel all this tape off and stick it in there just right. It's going to be a tough one. I got the panel on. It's not perfect, but I mean it's on there, believe me. Yes, thank you, honey. Alright, so I'm going to put the plate bracket back on here with those two screw holes, put my license plate back on, and as far as the emblems go, I'm just going to get new double-sided tape for that, and same thing with the HSE TD6 there. And I'll stick them back in their original spots. Alright, so here at my little workstation, we have the back of the emblems. I cleaned off most of the old sticky crap here. You don't have to go crazy unless you want to be a perfectionist, which I'm not. Here's my roll of 3M tape. So I am just going to cut a slice that's long enough to match the emblem. I'll probably cut this little blob off here and I'll put it on this emblem as a little filler, but I'll just cut a strip, stick it on there, peel the backing off, and go stick it to the back of the truck. So as you can see, the 3M tape thickness is perfect for this emblem, so I just rolled it out, cut it off. Now I'm going to do the same. I'm just going to fill this in best I can. It's not going to be fancy. I'll take a final of it. Just stuck the graphics on, or emblems I should say. There's my rendition of it. She is done. The bathtub blackout is complete. In the future I'll do the lower valance, and I'll probably buy those little fake exhaust tip things that they sell and give this thing a bath. But I live on a dirt road, so cut me some slack. Thank you.